What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to trim the rubber on a quarter window. Make sure to only have your blade out about one click. You don't want to cut off too much of the rubber or scratch the glass in the process. Start at the top and work your way down. You only want to cut a tiny amount of rubber. The reason we do this is so there is no visible light gap. You are creating a space to tuck in the film. Not all quarter windows will need this to be done, only the ones with a really tight seal. Inspect prior and use your judgment to see if the rubber will need to be trimmed. As you can see right here, I am only trimming a very small amount off. Keep working your way down until you have the whole side done. Make sure to keep your blade at a low angle. You do not want the pointy side of your blade to scratch the glass. If you do have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video.